guys, you and Charlie, I'm back on another video. So hey guys, you and Charlie, if you did not know, if you did know, hey cousins, welcome back. So yeah, I'm back with another vlog. This vlog gonna be my New Year's Eve, New Year's Day vlog, as you guys can tell by that title. And right now, oh yeah, this is our sign. I'm gonna put Happy New Year, the same sign, Charlie and Carla. And she switched out the lights to these little white lights, and they are so cute. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna just take you guys along my New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, you know, activities. So right now we're gonna go to my uncle's house and have a little card game night over there first, and then after that come home and probably change to something else, and then we're gonna go see the lights at this, I forgot, oh no, I'm gonna say late, no, what's the riverfront? Yeah, and then we're gonna go listen to the DJ and then watch them do the fireworks and stuff before the New Year's coming. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Also, yeah, I have been doing good with my diet actually. So it's been 13 days without me eating bread, and I don't remember how long for no sugar. I think today makes 9 days or 10 days. I can't recall. Yeah, I think today is 9 or 10 days with no sugar. So yeah, like no processed sugar, like candy, cookies, none of that. So yeah, so I'm gonna just catch you guys in a few.
Sylvia and Bryson. I'm your host. I'm the host. The one, the only, the free. So we're gonna do cash prizes tonight. We have games tonight. We're gonna do tic-tac-toe. We have Connect 4. We have Master Drinks. We also have ping pong. And we have ping pong tennis, and we have cup golf. Back it up for the names today. Back it up. So this is our setup here. So everybody grab a dice. We're gonna roll a die to see who goes first. And the one with the highest die get to choose the game that we play first. Alright? And then the games are numbered. Alright? So when you roll that die, that will be the game that we play. Everybody back up for that.
What's the first game?
So the first game is oh shit. Oh shit. We gotta with 11 points. You want me to describe that game?
No. You can describe it.
Sorry, yeah, we'll wait till we describe that game. Alright. Let's get it on. Everybody grab their die. Got the dice in your hand. No shaving the dice, no cheating, no cheating. Shake the dice on the count of 3. Roll your die. 1, 2, 3. Roll your dice.
4, 3. I got 3.
4.
So me, you, and Sylvia got 4.
Alright, we're gonna go with
She got 5.
She has 5. 5 is first. 4, roll your dice again. Everybody, clap it up. We have Bryson versus Carter. And our first game is ping pong tennis, where you have to eliminate each cup by bouncing the ball one time on the table into the cup. You cannot bounce the ball more than one time. Everybody got that? Everybody got the rules. And this game comes with a prize cash of... Are you listening, contestant? I said this game comes with a cash prize of $15. Let's go. $15 cash prize. This one will go on my group.
If you turn the mic up once you bounce one time, it has to turn on right here. Yeah, want me to do the game music again?
Yeah, you gotta put some. That's not what I'm playing. So we you gotta show me cameras in there.
You just have to edit that.
I'm just gonna
Go. Y'all need to slide in and help grab the
Want me to come on this side?
Come in. Uh-oh. That's one cup in here. Cups in there. 3 cups in there.
Hey, put it on.
That one.
All the time. Oh, let's go. One cup in here. Hey,
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
put it back tight.
Oh, you want to back side?
No, I'm saying no, not tight, no.
Like
You
that.
know that same position.
Yeah, I do.
Pick up.
Like that. I do.
Let's go.
Tight. That's tight.
Yeah, I gotta touch it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Brian.
I'll get it. Let's go.
Just pass it to Bryce.
Oh, I know what game it is.
Oh, wait. Y'all ready?
No, we're not ready. She got to get the drink.
How do you feel?
I'm excited because I want to win.
How do you feel?
You need help, Lee?
Restart the. So we're here with our second contestant. Yeah. We're here with our second contestant. And can you tell us your name? His name is Nazir. Hey, running to 14. Game night 2025, 2026. We had our first winner of the day party. We had a sour audience member. But how do you feel today?
Great.
Feel great? Do you feel lucky?
No. On time.
So, you wrote the floor today. Can you tell us what the number 4 game is?
Master drink.
Master Drink. Clap it up for Master Drink. So, Master Drink, we're going to set up the drinks. And y'all going to get in the order. Nazir is already first in line. So, we're going to set up the drinks in the box. And y'all going to go back there. And then you're going to have a Master Drink. So, we're going to play cue the music. And then you're going to walk up and Master Drink. And we're going to have some cash prizes lined up in the number. So, the game is Master Drink.
So now we're about to play Master Drink, and I don't know who's gonna win. I don't know. Like it could be
I'm
us.
going.
It could be us again. Like yeah. Ooh, they look like twins. What is this on Twitch channel? So yeah, we're playing Master Drink, and I don't know who's gonna win. It's a lot of competition. Both of us. You can go wait. Okay, taking over Charlie's vlog. Like I said, this is my intro. Hey y'all, it's Carly. Back on Charlie's camera. And yeah, and I won the first game against my opponent person, and I knew I was going to win. I knew that I was going to win, so yeah. And Charlie's over here, and yeah, it's a little game. But yeah, that's that. And yeah, I totally won against my opponent. Bryson was nothing.
To the back? Where we stepping at? So we gonna keep it up. We gonna go nice and run?
Y'all
Yeah.
can't come past and y'all walking up, y'all can't go nowhere now.
You didn't see that.
That's all.
Oh. So you got me almost falling on camera.
That's what what number that? 3. Yeah.
You got it right? You got it right?
No.
Come on, right?
No, it's Scarlett's turn.
Hey, y'all should have it.
I need to get behind Charlie. You behind me. She's taking off the So now it's going to be after, right? So
Good try. Come back next time. Yeah, Bryce. Now we're on board. We'll take this. Okay, let's go. Don't smell it because it's a box. Well, get up. Try again next time. Bless yourself on the trophy. Next step. Okay. Keep it up, sir. And put it back down where you got it from. Smile, triangle, smile, smile. Next customer, please. Come on down. Yeah. Charlie! Let's go, Charlie. What's down, my boy? Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Frank. Baby. My girl has the relatives. She's on the side of this. The relatives is in the wrong spot. Stop. What you got going on? Yeah, Sylvia. Nobody got one so far. Nobody want the money. Nobody want the money. You might get some aloe for that Ashley. Yes. After that Ashley guess. All right, so I'm the rule. Go ahead. Can't wait. You're not going to do it. All right, you're going to get it out. Who do they going to get first? You think it's on the party? I said, so. Reach your price. What number is that? Number 2. Wow, this guy's winning everything. Hey, Cody got the first one correct.
The team.
Oh. How you say here? That's again. Stay in. That's again. Cody won the first game. It was ping pong tennis. She's very good. That's all she did. Wow. First one on the board. First one on the board. Wait. I said, hello. And he says, hell no, it's wrong. Get out of here. Try it again. Chicken, 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 chicken. Come on, man. Which one you gonna get? You only got one customer got it right. Nah, not so much. Only one person got the money. Only one person got the money. Twin was hanging out right. What was the connection? What number is that?
I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I tried.
What's gonna do? Pressure plus ice. Pressure. Pick it up. Pick it up. She coming back to home. Wow, she ain't gonna get it. She ain't gonna get it. I don't want to get it. I don't know. So I get it. No, she not gonna get it. No. Not tonight. Next. Only one person got it. Uh-oh.
I got it right?
Got it right. She got it right. She got it right. She got it wrong. She got it wrong.
It's wrong?
Yes, it is wrong. It's wrong. See it.
I got one.
She got one. She got one. Wrong. Hey, you just don't wrong. We just don't wrong. We just don't wrong. Don't look for me. Don't try to read me, cause I'm a big wrong. Don't try to read the host, cause he's gonna make it right. I got 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 it right. What? Too right. Too right. Too right. Too right. Too right. Let's go here. Y'all the key. Look, y'all turn around. Y'all see y'all turn around, so y'all make it straight. This boy's hot. This boy's hot. He's on fire. Y'all turn around and watch this.
What if you didn't? Where are we going with this?
Wrong.
Now we go.
Hey, come on up. Come on up. That boy went on fire. Oh yeah, because y'all was turning around. Huh? So she forgot. You forgot? More pressure. Let's see. Correcto. Hey, clap it up. Clap it up for the contestants. Good job. We'll come back to this. Alright, let's go. That's Dan. Who is next? Go. We keep going until you run into shit. No, you move the cup. Like you move it out of the way.
Oh, so I need to move these.
Yes, sir, yes. No, move it. I need to separate. Let's go. She got one wrong.
Put it back down.
Put it back down. Wait. Let's pause again. You gotta go till you get X out, right? That's why I call being sad. Till you get all three tissue.
I thought you said.
Or if you pick up a tissue, you're out.
I thought that's what you said. If you pick up
So
a
if you
tissue,
pick up a
you're
tissue, you're out. Yeah.
Yeah,
So hold on, we'll put the cups back.
So we gotta get the
Yeah,
poop.
you gotta go back and I put the cups back.
So we gotta get the poop. So we don't get the poop. Or we gotta get the poop.
If you get the
No,
pool,
if
that's
you get the
X.
pool, you go back.
That's basically
That ends your round.
that ends your round.
So I gotta get all the ones.
Watch out, turn around,
You
turn
got
around,
basically
turn around,
you picking
turn
all the
around.
ones without the poop.
Okay, I just study where that was.
I did.
Well, I'm about to shuffle. I can shuffle space, the spots.
You go ahead, man.
It's your game. Stop. You sit down. I'll wait.
You can turn around.
Bring it with you.
I'm not putting up nothing.
Keep the music with you. Cue the music.
Is that what you mean? Okay, this is what I'm gonna just do that.
Why keep going on?
Cause so all I did was when you turn the cup on, you keep it in the cup. And you don't keep it. And now you turn it on.
Hey, no, look. No, flip it up.
Flip it up. Flip it up. That's it.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, and then you flip it up. And when she finished, turn it back on.
Okay. But I'm gonna call the next contestant. I'm gonna call next.
I just turn them over.
Yeah.
As a player,
So when you
flip it back up.
flip it up,
So basically, it's like saying,
They got one cup love. One cup love. Wait, no, they got 2 cups left. 2 cups left. 2 cups left. That's the best.
You got it? Oh, don't turn around, don't turn around. Oh, you have my foot. Take telepathy.
Can't you remember that? Can't you remember that?
Telepathy.
Yes.
It's just like playing memory.
That's right there. Remember that.
Exactly. I remember. Which one you did that with?
Touch the food.
And she touched that. Oh, shit. And when you touch it, you gotta say, oh, shit. Let's go now.
So remember what you touched.
So when you touch it, you say, oh, shit.
Back up. Right. It's like playing memory. So when you go up, you gotta know which one to pick. It's like playing memory. And don't. You got it? It's like playing memory.
Gotta say it. Gotta say it. Oh. Shh. You say shh. Hold up. Come on.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
That's I remember which one I picked.
It's called. Me, I got it. It was on an ad. It went to an ad.
I am a filmmaker, a drummer, a creative. I love to layer.
Uh-oh. Somebody got done
Oh shit! Don't come back.
Oh, shit.
Don't come back.
This game is fun. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Happy New Year, man. Hey, we playing a game I made up called Oh Shit. Where you put chocolate on 3 pieces of paper and you hide those chocolate pieces inside together. And they gotta guess it. They gotta keep it like memory. So if they touch the if they come over the cup, you gotta say oh shit. They gotta say oh shit.
Oh!
Yeah. If they flip it over, you say oh shit. Next. Ooh, what was that? Because you remember. Oh, because you remember. Because you remember this. Because you remember this. As you get closer to the end, it gets more. She has 5 cups left. 5 cups left. 5 cups left. 3 shits in the head. 5 with 3 seconds. 4 countries with 3 seconds. Boy, this man has a lot of pressure. Can't remember all the people that waited for you. All those people that waited for you and you forgot where it was. And now we got I think she got it. She got the prize. She got the prize. I got the prize. Clap it up for Carly. She is really, busting all up in here. She is busting all that. How do you feel about busting their butts in here? Y'all don't want none of this, man. Let me touch your hand. Ooh, that hand hot. She got a hot hand today. Y'all might want to touch her hand today. Y'all want to wait? Let's start again. Let's have it up for Carly.
All right, Carly.
Yeah, we'll have a chance to get back to this game. All right. We have the lost ball, and we have a complete six-set first. There's the ball.
Alright, we just left my uncle, so now we at McDonald's. So I haven't eaten nothing all day. And it's 10:36 and now I'm about to go to the little river park and go see lights. Oh, yeah, now we at McDonald's, we getting food. Cause I have not ate all day. I just got me a 10-piece nugget. So cute. I'm gonna just walk and record a little thing. Happy New Year, twin. Oh, it looks so cute. It looks so cute. So great. Just record my little vlog. So wait, just record my little vlog. Let me record this. It's cold out here. It's cold though, but it's cold. But it was close too. Well, let me not get in front of their picture. The little lights and stuff. It's now 12. It's 12:09 now. We seen it when y'all heard the countdown. I showed them most of it. The show's still going on, whatever. I don't think I want to see all that. They probably can't see you though.
Oh, I can pay for it. Oh, I don't want.
I'm trying to. It's gonna be dark either way.
Oh, I thought you had a night thing on.
No, it do though.
Happy New Year, fam.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's now 2 days later, because the last time I seen y'all was literally on New Year's Day, but it is now 2 days later and it is Saturday, December 3rd. So I'm just about to come and update you guys and like finish vlogging, because I'm gonna stretch this vlog out to Sunday, since I haven't really, I feel like my video has not gotten enough footage. So I'm trying to make this video an hour long, or maybe 44 minutes or 50 minutes, but I'm trying to see how like me doing my first long video on my channel will go. Alright, anyways, so I'm trying to see how my first long video could go on my channel, like how it would do, or like how, if I could actually like do it. So yeah, so it's currently Saturday and I'm about to do my 3rd day of Pilates. It is currently right now 4:45. I already been up for like a minute, so I'm like saying I was gonna do my Pilates earlier in the day and not do it later. So that's what I've been doing. I've been starting my 25-day Pilates challenge with my mom. Me and my mom have been doing it. So I've also been doing no bread, no sugar, as y'all know, and like little to no dairy. However, yesterday I did have a tiny cheat day, and I did, because Chick-fil-A gave me a reward for a free sandwich. So I just got me a sandwich and used my points to give me an ice cream. That's why I was craving, because my mom said that it was all right, like if you do a cheat day, but if you don't keep going back to like your old ways of keep getting bread, keep getting sugar, like keep eating it. So I said yes, yesterday was just my little cheat day, because I already have been going 15 days strong without eating it. So I said now I'm gonna go from today, which is, well, yesterday yesterday was the 2nd. Yeah, so I'm gonna go from now the 3rd all the way to February. I'm gonna go to Valentine's Day, so a month and like 11 days. I'm gonna give myself to really just continue on the no bread, no sugar, and little to no dairy. And by sugar, the only sugar that I could eat, I could have no process. It could only be from like fruit and stuff. So yeah, just fruit. So, and also I put my calendar up in my room. I'm gonna probably show you guys that. I put my new 2026 calendar up in my room. And also this wall, I took down all those purses, well, just some of them, and left those ones, and the other ones are literally behind my door in my closet, because I said I wanted my wall bare. And yeah, all I have to do is literally just put my vision board up. I do need to do that today. I need to do my vision board, so that will be going up in my room. And yeah, and I'm slowly but surely like trying to figure out how I'm gonna be like, you know, just don't know, figured out my room, like redoing it or something. But yeah, you guys will know about that like later down the line in more videos. So yeah, so now I am currently just waiting to do my Pilates, and I've been actually yesterday, day 2 was harder than day 1 for me. Day 1 was easy for me. It was like an 8. Well, no, it was like on 1 being the easiest to 10 being the hardest. It was like a 5 for day 1, but it was like a 7, 8, like 7, 8 for like literally day 2. But today we're gonna see how day 3 go, and I think it's gonna be easy because we looked at how it like was gonna look for day 3. Like I just skimmed through it, like see if it was gonna be easy, if it looked easy to me. But I think it's gonna be easy. Like I know I got this. Like we're gonna do all the way through 25 days of the whole challenge, and like I'm gonna read because like 25 days. So like on the 1st of every month, that's when I'm gonna begin the next 25 days. So like it's gonna be 25 days on. You do the rest of the month. I'm gonna be doing walking, jump rope, like my other workout, like Grow with Joe, and then the next month on February 1st start up the 25-day Pilates challenge again and do her season 2 Pilates challenge that the lady have on channel. I'm gonna show you guys when I go downstairs what lady we've been doing, like the challenge that I've been seeing like on TikTok, people saying they've been following her. So yeah, and so February I'm gonna start her season 2 Pilates workout, and then probably to switch back and forth between them both if she doesn't do a season 3. But yeah, so y'all know also I think Mardi Gras starts this month as well. I don't know what day, don't know. Like the season of Mardi Gras, like the floats, the parades, you know, the bands and all that. So I'm gonna also take you guys to that this year, because I think I did last year. I seen a little bit, but like because of the weather, it was like we didn't really like, we was like Mardi Gras day, you couldn't stay out there a lot because it was windy and all that. So I'm gonna show you guys how it go this year. And I'm actually try to go to a lot of parades this year, because last year I really didn't. And I also got to do my hair for back to school, but that's like later down the line, because we got the first day of school. It starts January 20th, so we're not gonna even talk about that in this video because it's not what it's gonna be about. So I'm gonna catch you guys later when I start Pilates. Hey guys, so we starting to work out, and this we use, yeah. So now it's a little bit later from my workout, and I just made me a grilled egg and turkey sausage bowl. So that's what I'm gonna have right now because I did not eat all day. So yeah.